police, how them for refuse the camera? They can't refuse the camera. If they get the camera for wear, they can't refuse the camera. If you put, if you have authority, give them it for wear, they can't refuse it, you know. They cannot refuse it if you have authority, give them the camera for wear. Suppose the commissioner say, boy, okay, we not go this morning, you put on camera, the police can't say no. So it's a bigger authority. And the problem why the police are not wearing the camera. It's a bigger authority, you know. Look how much time they tell you so they give police out that wear camera. Yeah. Several times we hear that. Yeah. The police are go that wear camera. Long time, got how much years now? Now we know see one police are put on camera, go to Virgin and hold back killing. Look at I hold back killing the police go with since the start of this year, you know. Yeah. Hold for murder, hold back killing the police go with since the start of this year.
So, yo, what you think about the police, them and the body camera?
It good and bad, you know. Good and